Today I'm adding something new to my classes. I'm adding a checklist, and you can see that I've put it at the end of my agenda for today. So everything that the kids have to do uh, in chronological order. And so it's the last thing that they have to do. Now, I've had some kids stressed that I guess they're worrying they can't tell if I'm getting their submissions because the only thing that can be shown as a submission in Schoology are things that I've made through Schoology or Google, something I've shared through Google through Schoology. But if I have them go do a Wiser or go here or go there, they're not seeing it. So personally, for myself, I put all of that stuff on PowerSchool. um, I just mark it as collected. So I put graded and ungraded. So the collecteds, I make different categories. So I may have one for class notes. I may have one, I've always used some for signed stuff and pre-test, post-test, that kind of thing. But I've had kids say they can't get into PowerSchool. So there goes that. So what I've decided to make is a checklist, and I'm going to show you to the best of my ability how I did that in Schoology. So here we go. So I'm going to resources, and I'm going to add an assessment, and there is probably a better way to do this, but I haven't figured it out yet, so I'm just kind of winging it. So my checklist for 8, let me see what Monday is going to be. I'm going to go ahead and do Monday, 8:31. I put points. I'm not going to count it as a grade. I guess you could if they did it every day for maybe give them a weekly grade. So my instructions are going to be, did you complete your assignments for 8:31? Answer Y for yes, and N for no if you did not complete your task. And then they've got a bunch of stuff here about settings, blah, 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 blah. I'm not giving points because I'm not grading it. Toolbar, yeah, they might want to speak or highlight. I don't know. Sounds good. And then I'm going to save that. And then I'm going to wait. And, well, I will go to questions. Now, there's all kinds of different things that we can do here. But this is the easiest way that I could figure it out with the least amount of effort this morning. So I'm using fill in the blank text, and I'm going to look to see what they're doing on Monday. So to create a blank, type an underscore. So I want them to type in yes or no, or Y or N. So I'm going to put in an underscore. And then my first, come on, everything's so slow today. Internet's probably breaking. My first task is question review of the day, which is a scientific method Wiser. Okay, and for my answers, well, I want them to put yes. So I'm giving them Y or yes. I'll take either one. And then I want an exact match. So if they put it in French, they say oui, I'm not counting it. And then I'm going to save it. So there's my first task. Now I'm going to add another one. And blank, daily prefix, suffix on blue sheet. Y Yes. Save. And then I've got one more. Blank. Complete spontaneous. Oh, lordy. Yes. Generation notes with um, Needham, Spallanzani, and Pasteur. Oh, here's another big one. Complete and submit. Submit. And then down here, yes, yes, save, and I'm done. So I can preview it. Did you complete your assignments on 8/31? Answer Y for yes and N for no if you did not complete your task. New attempt. So here's where they'll put their answer, question of the day, second one, third one, then go back and review, and then finish, and then I want to close my preview. Now for my actions over here, I want to, well, add it to 3 classes, which this is very convenient. So this is going to be Monday. Due date is going to be Monday. Category ungraded. This one, Monday. Monday. You've got the idea, but I have to finish it, so just hold on. Add. And let's check it out. So I'm going to go to week 2. There's Monday. And there it is.